Welcome to Web Design 101. I'm really excited that you're here, and this is a little introduction to the course so you know what you're getting in for. By the end of this course, you're going to learn a few things. You're going to learn a bit about HTML and CSS and how to structure and style your web pages. As we walk through, we'll learn about some common HTML tags and CSS properties that you can apply in your own projects. We'll also learn about making things look a little bit different on mobile and different screen sizes. And you can also use those skills to build print layouts for your web pages as well to make things look appropriate when they're in physical form on paper. We'll learn how to make working HTML forms that forward email to your email address, and we'll also learn about a shiny new technology called CSS Grid, just a very basic introduction for that, but hopefully it will be what you need in order to apply it in your basic web pages. Finally, we'll put all of these skills together and we'll build a basic one-page website together, and hopefully that will show you how you can bring all this knowledge together to build something tangible that looks all right. Now, hopefully, I've not scared you off. Hopefully, you're not thinking, "Oh God, this isn't for me," because this course is suitable for beginners. You don't need to have written a line of code before. I'll show you all the knowledge you need and how to apply it. And hopefully, this is a really good introduction for you. I'm really glad that you're here. I'm really glad that I can help you at the beginning of your journey into becoming great web designers and web developers. I've delivered this content several times, dozens of times in fact, in form of a workshop, and I thought it'd be a really good opportunity to build my first course and share that with all of you, so you can go through it at your own pace, download content to your own devices, and maybe do it on the way to work, or do it on a flight, or just spend some time on one day going through it all in one go. So whatever pace you want, it's good for you. So let's talk a bit about what is needed to build a website. So generally, when we talk about building websites, we talk about three parts. We talk about HTML, and this is the building blocks of our web page. We use that to describe content and define structure in our web page. The second part is CSS, and this allows us to style elements and control layouts on our page. And because it's separated from HTML, it allows us to create reusable pieces of styling that we can apply throughout our website. Finally, the third part is JavaScript, and this is like the logic and brains of our website. It generally works on the model of if this then that, if this button is clicked, do this, or if there's new data, let's do something on the page. And it allows us to add interactivity to our web pages. Now, this third section here, JavaScript, can also be used as a server-side language. There are plenty of them, but you can use JavaScript. Now, in this course, we're only going to be talking about these first two, HTML and CSS. And later on, you'll be able to find a course from me, an introduction to JavaScript and one for JavaScript on the web as well. But for now, for this course, for building simple web pages, we only need to focus on the first two. So without further ado, let's get started. You can find the first few videos without signing up for an account, but then you can sign up for a free account, enroll in this course for free, and go through it at whatever pace you feel comfortable. And I look forward to seeing you in the first lesson.